Right, hi guys, it's Bob from Greybeard Models. Welcome back to the channel, and as you've seen from the title, this is the final reveal for the carpet layer. Um, it's been an interesting project. It's certainly thrown up some tricky things that I've never done before. So anyway, um, I'm not going to waffle too much. You know what it is. Have a look. Um, See what you think, leave your comments, appreciate that. I've done some footage, and there should be, if all the editing works, some stills at the end as well. So without further ado, let's get over to the bench and we'll have a look. So the final reveal of the carpet layer, Churchill AFV. Put it onto a little bit of a base with a little bit of foliage and mud and grime and crap and all that sort of thing, just to give it sort of a context. But yeah, I'm quite chuffed with it. Actually, it came out quite well. I'm quite pleased with it in the end. It's been a bit of a hard slog, but it's yeah, really quite pleased with it. And now we can move on to something completely different. No, we're going to move on to another AFV. I've got another one planned, but there it is. There's always something else you could do, isn't there? I looked at this and I thought, well, I could have done more, more of that. But yeah, I'm quite pleased with the outcome. It'll go up on the shelf in the display case. This is the base for the display case. But yeah, quite pleased with that. Yeah, interesting little project. Anyway, hope you like it, and look forward to doing the next AFV. Right, thanks for watching, and bye for now. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe if you like what you've seen. See you later. Bye for now.